You've been sending money back home for years, but you've always been on the outside looking in. Not anymore. Today, I'm showing you how to invest in Ethiopia's biggest companies right from your couch in London, DC, or Dubai. Welcome back to Click to Finance. The Ethiopian Securities Exchange just changed the game with the Neway App. It's the digital bridge we've been waiting for. Let's walk through how to set it up from overseas. The ESX is live, and for the first time, you can own shares in giants like Wegagan Bank or Ethio Telecom. But as a diaspora member, there are 3 things you must have before you download the app. First, you need an active diaspora bank account like those from CB or Abyssinia. Second, your yellow card or Ethiopian passport. And yes, you can register using your foreign phone number in most regions. Step 1. Search for Neway ESX and download it. Don't fall for clones, make sure it's the official app from the Ethiopian Securities Exchange. Step 2 is the Digital KYC. Since you're abroad, the app will verify your origin ID and use facial recognition. Pro tip: use a clear background and good lighting, or the system will flag you for manual review, which takes much longer. Now, the crucial part: funding. You link your diaspora foreign currency account to your brokerage sub-account. The app connects you with licensed brokers to handle the transition. This ensures your investment is legal and your dividends can be repatriated later. Are you nervous about the market? Use the simulated trading feature inside Neway. It lets you trade with virtual money using real-time Audi's market prices so you can practice before you commit your hard-earned dollars or pounds. Think about this. Instead of just sending a gift, you're buying an asset that pays you back. That's how you build real wealth for your family back home while you're still abroad. The Neway app is the tool. Click to Finance is your guide. If you have questions about specific bank listings or foreign currency rules, leave them in the comments. Hit subscribe, and let's build that portfolio. I'll see you in the next one.